In this lecture, I'm gonna teach you about the formulas that is related to Coulomb's law. This topic is of class 11th physics book. First of all, there are different formulas that are used in different conditions. Like in the condition in which a specific force, we have to find a specific force, specific charges are given, and there is a specific distance that we have to find. To find this condition, we will apply this formula. Let me term it as formula number 1. Now, in the second condition, if there is a change in the force given, like we have to find two forces in which first force is given or the second force is given, and we have to find according to the given charges. So in this condition, we will apply this formula. This question can be like, we will be given the final force, the change in force, and after some while change. So in this condition, we can apply this formula. In the third formula, in the condition, we have to find the force where the distance change will be given. Otherwise, if there is change in charges, so we will apply this formula. If there we have to find the change in distance, so we will find this formula. In the third situation, if there is change in charges, distance and force given, so we will apply this formula. Now there is change in this one and this one. In this condition, there would be a specific number given. Like just suppose the Q1 is equal to 1 and Q2 is equal to 2. But in this condition, you will be given like in the first time the Q1 is equal to 1, and after some while the Q1 transfers into 1.5. So these kind of conditions can be solved through this formula. Now in the last formula, Fm, the force of the mass, can be identified by the force in the air divided by permittivity. Now here, the force in the air is constant as given in this point. The ER in air and vacuum is equal to 1. And the permittivity is given. And the force in the air would be given. Like if just suppose you are given O2, so you will find the force applying on it, and by that you can simply find the force applied to the mass. So these are all the formulas that can be related to the Coulomb's law, or we can derive these formulas through Coulomb's law. And that's all about today's lecture. Thank you so much.